Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the charger and battery chemistry so you charge safely and effectively. Once done, secure the vehicle and personal safety. Ignition off, gloves and eye protection on, remove metal jewelry. Clean terminals to ensure a solid connection and avoid sparks. Next, set the charger to the battery's rated voltage and a moderate amp setting for speed charge. This balances charge rate versus heat. Now, connect positive lead to the positive terminal and negative to the chassis or negative terminal as instructed. Once charging starts, monitor how the charger moves through bulk and absorption phases. This tells you how quickly the battery accepts current and why the charger tapers output. Make sure to check voltage, current, and the battery temperature every 10 to 15 minutes so you can lower the amp if it overheats. If the charger displays error codes, stop and consult the manual. Many problems are bad connections or sulfation. Keep ventilation and do not leave an unattended high amp charge for long periods. When the charger reaches float or maintenance mode, you know the battery is topped and safe to disconnect. Unplug the charger and remove negative clamp first, then positive. Tighten terminals, start the engine, and check electrical systems to confirm normal operation. If the battery fails to hold charge, try a slow conditioning charge and retest voltage after rest. One key troubleshooting tip: if the charger won't progress from bulk to absorption, inspect for poor connections, blown fuses, severely sulfated cells.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.